I'm Nicola and I want to tell you about an unanticipated beneficial output from the BRIGHT trial, an NIHR commissioned school-based randomised controlled trial. The trial tested mobile health to support positive toothbrushing behaviours in young people aged 12 to 14 and reduce tooth decay. The intervention had two parts, a school-based lesson followed by a series of text messages sent to the pupils' phones. Rather than the results though, I want to tell you about how we used part of the trial intervention, the school-based lesson, to achieve impact. The lesson was iteratively co-produced with teachers, other school staff and pupils, and received positive feedback as part of the trial process evaluation. Now, oral health is a required component of the curricula in Wales, so we placed this endorsed downloadable lesson plan and resources in Welsh, but also English, on the Adiseg Cymru hub. It's been downloaded over 200 times since June. So although it wasn't directly related to the trial's outcomes, it offers a user-endorsed evidence-based lesson for teachers to deliver easily to pupils and support toothbrushing behaviours to reduce tooth decay and its impact. Thank you.